Hello, my good friends. How are you doing? And I hope you are doing very well today. My name is Henry, and remember, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe down below, share this video, put some comment, and like it too. It's really helped me to. It's encouraging me to to make good videos. But today I have a very special topic that I would like to discuss with you, to talk with you. It's a very important thing that a lot of immigrants, refugees, and especially asylum seekers don't know about, and they will find out later on in the future where they will start applying for citizenship. They will find out that they have missed a lot of things, and especially to male, because I'm talking about selective service. So selective service, it's something that most people are not aware, or if they are aware, they have wrong information, and they are scary because how the information was provided to them. Like many countries in the world, including the United States, they do register for, I'm trying to explain it in a very simple way so you can understand. There is what we call military registration for every male. So it doesn't mean that you are registering to be in a military or they will send you to war or something like that. No. Selective services, it's required by law, especially in the United States, for every male from the age of 18 to 25. If I'm not mistaken, 26, but let's try to put as 25. So when you register for selective service, it rarely happens, and I don't recall when this happened, when they recruit people in selective service, because the United States has a lot of reserve military, police, all those things, just in case something happened and they need more people. That's when they can come and take the men and go and fight to defend the country. This applies in many countries, not only the United States. But so far, it has never happened that they come and take people, rarely, and I hope it will never happen. But because it's the law, because it's required, you have to do it. But a lot of immigrants, especially asylum seekers, they don't have this information. Why they don't have this information? I know you have a lot of ways to describe the people that come in the country in a different way. Let me try to differentiate a little bit, though there is no difference, but I just want to make this difference so that you can understand. There is people that enter in the country, the United States, as refugees. These are the people that they started the process to come in the United States in a different country. And they complete those process right there in that other country. Which means before they even come, there is some agency, what we call resettlement agencies. So resettlement agencies as case managers that help these people to apply for different things, including Social Security, until they get their green card. They help them apply for selective services, and until some of them get their citizenship. So those refugees that come, already their process is started in different countries, they have at least those help. They get helped before they come, and once they come here, there is already like a pathway prepared already for them to access all those services through their settlement agencies. But there is also another group of people who left their home country. Instead of starting their asylum seeker process somewhere, and there to be qualified as refugees, and then they come to the United States, can go and pick them from there. Those people, for some reasons, they want to start their process in the United States, asking for asylum in the United States. So that's the group that I will talk about today, because that group is more oftentimes not informed, and they are not aware, and oftentimes they don't have enough information because most resettlement agencies are not working with them because they are asylum seekers. Most resettlement agencies works with refugees, which means the people that comes from a different country through the clear pathway that is already established by the United States and other agencies. So, for those who come here as asylum seekers, they have no information about selective services because pretty much nobody tell them. So for you to apply for selective service, number one, you have to be a male, no female. You have to be a male. Second thing, you have to be above 18. So imagine when you enter this country, you are 17 and you turn 18 while in the United States. You are required to submit your application for selective services within 30 days after turning 18. You got it? You have to apply, you submit the registration for selective services within 30 days after you turn 18. For those who enter the United States already above 18, you are also required to submit your application as soon as possible. Required, I can give you within 30 days to make sure you apply that within 30 days. So, for you to apply for the selective service, the application is so simple. It can take you probably something like, if it's too much, is 1 minute. It's so clear, so simple. We just put your name, your email address, your social security number, and I know where you're going to ask me a question. As an asylum seeker, I don't have a social security. What can I do? Yes. For other asylum seekers don't have social security, but many asylum seekers don't have a social security number that is not work authorized. Still, that is a social security number that you can put there and you can submit the application. And if you don't have a social security number, you can still submit your selective service application, but you will not do it online. You have to file it on paper. You print the paper, you fill in the information, and you submit without a social security number. You just put on all your information, your name, date of birth, and make sure you put the up-to-date address. Is that clear? But if you fail to do that, remember, the process of getting the citizenship in the United States is a complex thing, especially for those who enter in the United States as asylum, because the process is taking too long. It's not a short period. Some of you, it may take over 10 years for you to get a citizenship. But you may think like, because it takes time, they will not ask you for selective service document. No, you will be required to present a selective service registration by the time you are asking for citizenship. So you have to make it, because how will they know? As soon as you enter the country, every application that you submit as an asylum seeker, they will ask you for the date of entry, and they will know your age, and if you are 18, they will know that you failed to submit that. So I encourage you to submit. I'll put the link down below for you to go and click on the link and make sure you submit that. If you don't do that, remember, they will deny your, there is a very high chance, I'm telling you, that they will deny your application for citizenship. You can also ask me, what about those with double nationality, dual nationalities? Those also are required. Even if you have double nationalities, you still have to submit form to register for selective services. Even if you're an asylum seeker, if you are undocumented immigrant, legal permanent resident, all those are still seeking for asylum, you are required to submit that. It's very, very important. So you can ask yourself, why am I doing this video with this information? I'm doing this video because I don't want you to be in trouble. I'm not paid by the government to do this video, but I'm here as an advocate to inform you, to be prepared for everything that will come in the future that can be as a barrier for you to get your citizenship or any other proper document. unless for some reason there might be some exemptions for not registering for selective services. Those reasons are very minimum. For instance, if you are placed in an hospital, nursing home, or long-term care for medical reason that you can prove that you are not able to submit that can be allowed. Or maybe at your 18th birthday you are meant maybe the hospital finds something that they may prove that you are not able to submit that. That's when. But I understand for most asylum seekers, probably such exemption may be a little bit limited. But I'm telling you, if you have some exemption, please talk with your attorney, talk with your lawyer, so that they can advise you. And a lot of lawyers, especially if you're applying for asylum, they are not giving you all this information I'm giving you, because their main goal is to help you with asylum, but the remaining things they will probably not be able to help you. Some asylum seekers don't have social security, which I understand, but as soon as you get social security, submit your application. Remember, you can also submit this application without a social security. You can file it on paper, and you have to do it. Is that clear? I think if this video was really helpful, and I believe it is, it's very informal, please share this video with your people, your friends, your community. For those who don't understand English, please, if you know English, help them to translate for them, so that this information get out and it can help them. Remember, I will put the link down below, or you can go yourself to the USIS website. Just type Selective Service, it will bring. Once you submit that, remember to keep the receipt. You will probably have a receipt that you can print, but after a few days, the USIS will send you an original copy of a selective service, like a receipt. Make sure you keep it so safe. Even if it takes you 10 years, keep it, because the time that will come for you to apply for citizenship, they will ask that document. They will ask, and if you don't provide it, it can delay the process, or they can even deny to give you what we call citizenship. Any question, put down in the comment. I can try to make more research for you. Made this video short so that you can understand it and have more way to understand. If you have any question, you can add in the comment, and remember to share this video. I love you very much, and see you to my next video, where I can talk about different things about refugees or asylum seekers. Thank you and goodbye.